Begin by breathing in and breathing out at your own pace, allowing your body to begin to relax and your mind to follow. Breathing in and breathing out, allowing your eyes to close down. Just breathing in and breathing out. Come with me on this most wonderful journey, as today is the day that you get to pick out your wedding dress. You've been waiting for this day. The excitement flows through you. You wake up effortlessly without an alarm clock, because this is the day that you've been waiting for. The day when your loved ones will come and pick you up and take you to go shopping for your wedding dress to help you select the perfect one. There was a part of you that thought this day would never come. People have said you couldn't have it, but they were wrong. This day is yours, and it is here. And as the sun rays peek through your window, you feel light and excited, and you eagerly float out of bed, and you get ready for this most exciting day. You do your makeup and your hair. Seems so easy, so effortless, so natural. And you eat a yummy breakfast as you wait for your best friends and some of your closest family members to arrive. They pull up and you notice that they're in a super fun party bus, or perhaps they're in a limo. Whatever you decide is just fine. They greet you with hugs and excitement and compliments. You pile into the ride of your choice, and off you go. Your best friend pours you a glass of sparkling champagne or apple juice, bride's choice. And as your friends toast you, they toast to your elegance, to your beauty, to your heart, and to you on this spectacular day. It seems as though no time has passed, and you arrive at the most elegant and beautiful bridal gown shop you've ever seen, just like the glamorous ones you see in the movies. As you and your loved ones walk into the store, you are warmly greeted and welcomed in. Your wedding gown assistant brings you and your group to a beautiful sitting arrangement with refreshments, and the atmosphere is divine. They are sitting around a small platform with a magnificent mirror for you to see your stunning self in as you try on the most incredible, beautiful, elegant, fun, wonderful wedding gowns. You and your loved ones begin to look through all the gowns, all of the different dresses. You look at the form-fitting ones, the princess dresses, the ones that are super fluffy, the ones that are extremely elegant, the ones that have a little bit of edge. Some have a pop of color. Some are flowing, some have lace, some are satin. There's such a fun variety of fabrics and styles. Everything you can think of is here. You pick out a few of the dresses that you feel most drawn to, that you'd like to try on. And your assistant brings all of the dresses that you picked out into a dressing room. It's such a beautiful dressing room with all the touches. You try on your first dress, and when you come out of the dressing room and you stand on the platform, gazing lovingly at the mirror and at your loved ones. Your loved ones ooh and ah. And they do this with every gown you try on. And then you walk out, and this gown feels different. It feels right. It feels like an extension of you, of your beauty, of your elegance, of the statement you want people to see and know when they see you. And as you walk out of the dressing room, out onto the platform, everyone gasps as their breath is taken away. And when you turn to look in the mirror, your eyes fill with tears, almost as if you're seeing your beauty for the first time, recognizing your beauty, your beautiful feminine self. And your heart whispers as it skips a beat, "This is the one." And you say it out loud, you try it on. "This is my gown. This is the one." Your loved ones agree. Everyone is giddy. The joy is palpable. You take another look in the mirror, taking in your beauty, the beauty of the gown, and how it completes the look you want to have on your wedding day. Your bridal assistant takes your measurements and any notes you have. You walk to the register, you pay for your gown, happily, delightedly. And you and your loved ones walk out of the bridal shop, knowing that you're one step closer to your magical day as wonderful you. You feel so deeply and completely beautiful as you. You feel beyond gorgeous, and you and your loved ones spend the rest of the day celebrating you. You take in this moment, feeling so loved, so beautiful, so seen, remembering and realizing that you know yourself better than anyone else, and you can be who you are even when others disagree. Some doubted this day would come. Perhaps you even doubted this day would come. And now it is here. And it is here because you embraced yourself and you let yourself be you. You loved yourself enough to accept who you are and to let you be you. Be her. Be seen by the world as the most beautiful, loving version of yourself. And now you're grounded in your self-empowerment, in your self-love, in your self-acceptance, in your self-pride. And you glow from within. This beauty on you glows from within. It's the glow that only those who know self-love and courage can have. Taking it all in, you return to your breath, breathing in and breathing out. And when you're ready, you go ahead and open your eyes, returning to your day, bringing the feeling of this meditation with you. I'm Steph. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, say hi in the comments, and if you'd like, you can join the channel membership. And before you go, say it with me. I am enough. I matter. I make a difference. My life is important. I get to be me. Very, very well. I am sending you endless love. Bye.